Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope all of you are safe and happy at home. So, don't forget to thank God and ask His blessings again. So, let us close our hands and have a silent prayer. Right. Yes. And I am sure that you have gone through our third lesson, that is multiplication. Next lesson, that is our fourth lesson, is also based on multiplication tables. Okay, so I hope all of you are thorough with the multiplication table. Before starting, let us revise the multiplication table of 8 and 9 once. So that just pause the video and just revise the multiplication table of 8 and 9 once and play the video. We can continue. Okay, I hope all of you got the table of 8 and 9. Shall we move to the lesson that is division? Okay, how many of you really love your parents and your brothers, grandparents, your friends? I hope all of you love them. How will you show your love? Yes, I have seen that most of you show your love by caring them. Yes, sharing something that you have with you. Okay, there is a way. So while learning that lesson division, that is what we are doing, that is sharing, dividing and sharing. Okay, so while learning this lesson, you should have a habit of sharing the things with the love, right? Yes. So develop such a quality in you and study the lesson division. Okay, so our fourth lesson is division. For dividing, you must be able to share, or for sharing, you must be able to divide the things. And first, do you remember that multiplication means repeated addition, right? The same way, we can say that division is repeated subtraction. Okay, instead of doing repeated subtraction, we can do in simple way, that is division. For example, see that suppose I have 10 toffees with me. I want to give 2 toffees to each one student. Okay, I want to give 2 to each one. And I want to know among how many students I can give this 10 toffees if I give 2 to each. Right? So I have 10 toffees. First I give 2. I took 2 from that and given to one student. So how many is remaining with me now? 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. From 8, again I took 2 and give to second student. So how many is left with me now? See, 5 and 1. 6 toffees are with me now. From this 6, I am taking again 2 and giving for another student. So how many is remaining with me now? 4. This from among 4. Again I took 2 and given to another student. Now how many is left with me? Only 2. The 2 also I given to another student. So totally 10 students, 10 toffees are distributed. 2 to each one. Totally 5 students got the toffees. Totally 5 students got the toffees. So in order to know how many students got this toffee, I can do division and find out. Before distributing, I should have a clear idea that how many students will get it, right? So that instead of doing this each time subtraction 2 like that, I can do the division directly, then find out the answer for that. So that is what we say. Division means it is repeated subtraction. I hope got it. Division means repeated subtraction. Before entering to our topics, make sure that you are having a rough book and pen with you. Okay, you have to do the questions what I will do on the board, right? Yes. So from division lesson, first sentence you should learn is that division means repeated subtraction. Hope all of you got it. Right. Okay. Now let us see the facts or related terms. Okay. Let us see the same example. Let me see. Okay. 10. I have total 10 toffees. I am going to divide. Divide. The symbol is like this. Divide 2 to each student. Okay. 10 toffees. I am going to divide 2 to each one. Going to divide into 2. So, how many students will get it? That is a question. So, let it be there like that. Let us find out. For that, we instead of like this, we can do 10 minus 2. Remaining is 8. Again, 8 minus 2 will get 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many students will get it? 5 students will get it. This is the way to find out. Instead of doing this repeated subtraction, I can do it or find out by dividing it. How will you divide? This is the question. We got the answer is 5 students will get it. This can be find out using the division method. See, let us see how it is happening. Write the 10 as it is. Then write a box like this and write 5 to outside. Okay, this is the way to do division. That is 10 divided by 2. The number which we are going to divide, which is number which we are going to divide, that is 10. Okay, the number which we are going to divide is called the dividend. Is called as dividend. You have to learn these terms, okay? Dividend. The number which we are going to divide is called as the dividend. And the number by which we are going to divide is called the divisor. Okay, this is called the divisor. The number which we are going to divide is called dividend. The number by which we are going to divide is called the divisor. Then let us see how division happens. Okay, say this. In order to divide 10 by 2, you have to say the table of 2. Okay, while saying the table of 2, when you will get 10 as product. That is a way to find out the division. That is, say the table of 2, like that. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. And 2 into 5, 10. See, if you say the table of 2, when you get the, how many times if you multiply, you will get the product as 10. See this. How many times? 2 multiplied by 10, 5, you will 10 as product. That means 5 times you multiply to get 10. So, the 5 times, the times what we got is the answer for this. That you should write at the top. Okay. So, 10 multiplied by 2, you got answer as 5. And this answer we call it as quotient. The answer we got is called as the quotient. Now, how to complete this division is that multiply 2 into 5, 10. Write that 10 below the 10. Then draw one line like this. Subtract it. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, this is the method to do division. Then the remainder or the balance left with is called the remainder. Okay. So these are the 4 terms related to division. Number which we are going to divide is called dividend. The number by which we are going to divide is called divisor. And the answer what we get is called quotient. Then the balance or leftover number is called the remainder. Okay. To remind the terms, you can keep a clue that the larger number that we write inside is the word dividend. Okay, that is going to end. Dividend. Look at the last word end. This will be ending. Minusing. Division, doing division it will become 0. Or some balance will be there. Okay. So in this case, I have 10 toffees. I am divided by 2 and I got 5. Okay. Sometimes if I have 11 toffees, I cannot give exactly. Okay. Something will be remaining after distributing 2 to each one. Right. Yes, 5 students. I given for 5 students 2. Then there will be 1 toffee left with me. Okay. There will be sometimes balance will be there. That should be kept in mind in division. So, Let us revise the terms used in division. Dividend. Which is dividend? The number by which we are going to divide. Sorry, the number which we are going to divide is called dividend. The number by which we are going to divide is called the divisor. The answer we get is called the quotient. The balance number left with me will be called as remainder. Okay, one more thing you can keep in mind. Remainder will be always smaller than this dividend. Right? And after doing this division, you can check the answer also. That will be learning the next topic. Okay. So from these things, you should learn two things. First one is what is division. Division means repeated subtraction. Then the related four terms. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. I hope this much is clear for you. These are the main terms. Next what we are going to learn is what are the information or the properties of division. Important information about division. Some things should be kept in mind. That rules of division. Not exact rules, the facts. Right? As we multiplication, we said that when you multiply a number by 1, you will get the same number. When you multiply a number by 0, the product will be 0. Same way, there are some properties related to division. Let us discuss those properties. Right? Yes. Okay. Next, we are going to learn the properties of division. Okay, first thing you should know that when you divide, first one, okay, when you divide a number by 1, let us see when you divide 5 by 1, you will get the quotient as 5 itself. That means whenever you divide a number by 1, the answer, that means the quotient will be the number itself. Okay, the number. Same in the multiplication. When you multiply 5 by 1, you will get 5 itself. Both the facts are same for multiplication and division. Right? Then, second one, when 0 is divided by any number with 6, answer will be 0 itself. If you divide 0 by any number other than 0, okay, you will get 0 as the answer. Then, third one, 6 divided by 0. There is no answer for this. Okay, we cannot divide. We cannot divide 6 by 0. Can we? I have 6 toffees. Can I distribute 0 to each one? That means nothing I am doing. There is no answer for that. No division takes place. Right? No sharing takes place. Okay. So, these are the main things should be kept in mind. Then later you will be learning more things about division. So basically these are things. When you divide a number by 1, quotient will be 5, the number itself. When you divide 0 by any number, you will get 0. You cannot divide a number by 0. There is no answer for that. This is the 3 facts related to division. Right? I hope this is also clear for you. Now, shall we move to the step? First section of our topic is division by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, division by 10, 100. That is our first section that we are going to study. First section is division by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. See, while doing division by 10, 100 and 1000, you should keep in mind that when you divide, division, when you divide a number by 10, 100 or 1000, there will be sometimes no reminder. Sometimes there may be reminders. Okay. So first let us see that division by 10, 100, 1000 without reminder. Without reminder. Okay. First one example. First one I will show you. Remaining things we will do together. Okay. Now listen well. Suppose I want to divide 70 divided by 10. Usually, as usual we do division, do like this. 70 inside, that is dividend. Write the divisor outside. So, I am going to divide 70 by 10. So, I have to say the table of 10. Okay, 10 1 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6 are 60 and 10 7s are 10 times 7 is equal to 70. Write that 7 above. 10 into 7, 70. The answer what we got, write it down and do subtraction. 70 minus 70 is 0. Okay, so what is the answer we got? 7. That is a quotient. This is quotient, this is remainder, this is dividend and this is divisor. Right? Okay. So listen here. 70 divided by 10, you will get answer 7. While doing division, I hope it is clear for you. Okay. If you are not able to do division, don't worry. Just for information, I am giving these things. Okay. Actually, we are going to enter into division. Now see this. For this, we can do a simple way. That is, to find out the answer, you can do one thing. How many zeros are there in divisor? How many zeros are there in divisor? 1 0. Okay, 1 0. Underline that one digit from this right side. Okay. If 1 0 is there, one's place number should be, digit should be underlined. Okay, 1 0. Underline the one space digit. And avoid this one. If it is 1 0, avoid one digit. Remaining is 7. So answer will be 7. Right? Second one. See that. If it is 850 divided by 10, what will be the answer? Look at the number of zeros in divisor, 1 0. Cut off this 1 0. Remaining is 85. So 85 is the answer. Very simple. Right? Very simple. No need of doing division. Okay. Then if it is 0 divided by 10, what will be the answer? Remove this 191. Okay? Right. I hope it is clear. Now let us see division by 100. If it is by 100, first one. What will be the answer? See, 2 zeros. Remove these 2 zeros. You will get 84. Right? Second one. Divide by 100. Remove 2 zeros. Since divisor is having 2 0, remove 2 0 from here. You will get 95. Right? Then let us see with 1000. 118,000 divided by 1000. See how many zeros? 3 zeros. So remove 3 zeros. The remaining number will be the quotient, that is 18. Got? So look, first you have to look at the number of zeros in divisor. Here it is 2. So from the right side, that is from 1's place, 10's place, 2 numbers should be removed and the remaining and numbers will be the, or remaining digits will be the quotient or the answer. Okay? Got it? Okay, let us do together 5 questions. Very simple one. Okay? Okay. Now you can do along with me. First question. Divided by 10. Second one. Divided by 100. Third one. Divided by 1000. Okay. You have to do it. Pause the video and you do it and check your answers. Okay? Yes. Here 1 0. So remove one digit from there. Remaining number 320. Right? All of you got it? Yes. Second one, say in divisor 2 zeros. So remove two digits from here. 1 space and 10 space. Remaining all digits together will form the answer. So write that remaining digits. You got 150 as the answer. Right? It's also correct for you? Yes. Now see in divisor how many zeros here? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Cut it off 3 zeros. And look at this. The remaining digits are 7 and 5. So you got 75 as the quotient. I hope all of you got it. Right? Is it right? Easy or hard? Tough one? I'm sure it's very easy. Okay, that is without reminder. Here exactly we divided the numbers. No balance is with us. So let us see this division by 10, 100 and 1000 with reminders. Okay children, see this one. First example, 490 divided by 100. Look this. Look at this. How many zeros? Here also we have to count the number of zeros in divisor. Here 2 zeros. So underline the 2 digits. Okay. 2 digits, that is 90. So here quotient will be, listen all of you. Always quotient is the remaining number, that is 48. After taking 2 digits from there, remaining number will be quotient, that is 48. So what will be the remainder? It's equal to 90. Okay. Okay. The last question, that is without reminders. In such questions, the last digits are zeros. So remainder is actually 0. Since it is 0, we are not writing reminder. That is no reminder. Here we have to see how many zeros are there. That many places should be underlined. And the remaining digits together form the quotient. And underlined digit together form the remainder. Okay. Okay. Got it? Yes. The right side numbers. Right side of our number is 90. That is reminder. Right side. Like that you can think that right side numbers are reminders. Reminder and right side are starting with the letter R. Like that. You can keep a clue in you. Okay. Don't be confused. I hope it's also clear for you. Shall we do 3 questions? Yes. Divided by 10. Okay. Second one. 551 divided by 100. Then the third question, 4 divided by 1000. Okay, now what you have to do, pause the video, do yourself, and after that check with me. Okay, see this. Here, all of you check your answers, 1 digit. Underline that 1 digit. That will be the remainder. Remaining things will be the quotient. Just you can circle it. The first digit you underline, remaining things circle it. The circled one is quotient. Yes, quotient is 981. Remainder is 8. Okay, for quotient you can use Q is equal to 9 and 981. R is equal to 8. Same way here also. 2 zeros are there. So underline the 2 digits. Remaining circle it. So quotient is 55 and remainder is 1. 01 means 01 means 1 itself. Okay. Then next one is 3 digits. So underline the 3 digits and circle the remaining thing. So quotient is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 404. I hope all of you got the correct answers. Since it's very easy, okay. If you made mistake, don't worry. Just go through it and it will be easy for you. Okay. Yes. Now, second topic that we are going to study section is that division by single digit. Division of a 4-digit number by a single digit. This year anyway you are studying only division by single digit. That is divisor is only single digit. So it's very easy. I hope it is clear. Division by a single digit. That is second section. Very simple division. I will do for you. Now don't copy to your book or anything. Just listen to me. After that I'll give one question. We will do together. Okay. First example question under this section is that I am going to divide 24 divided by 2. Very simple one. Okay, we have to divide 24 by 2. That means I have 24 toffees. I am going to give 2 to each one. I want to know how many students will get. Okay, that's the question. So, like that you have to think. I have 24 toffees. Always you just keep in mind. These are the number of toffees. This is that I am going to distribute. I want to know how many will get it. Right? Same way. So, for that, you write in the division format. 24, this is dividend. That's inside. Then 2 outside. That is divisor. First step, you have to make a division format. Got it? Then now listen to me. What is the first step? First step in division, look at the digit at the left side of 24 is the number. Here 2 digits are there. In multiplication, if it is asked to multiply 24 into 2, how will you write? You will write in multiplication format like this. Then start division multiplying by these digits, right? You start from the right side. While in division, you have to start from here. You doing division from here. First, you should see that I have only 2 toffee. That I am going to 2 to 1 student. So, how many students will get it? Say the multiplication table of 2. Okay, how many times if you have to say the table to get the product as 2? 2 into 1, only one time. That 1 you should write there. Got it? That is the first step. After doing this, you multiply this one, 2 into 1. Second step, after getting the answer here, multiply this 2 into 1, 2. That you write just below this number. Okay? 2 into 1, 2. I hope second step also clear. Step by step you have to do it. Okay. First step, check this number and write the quotient there. Then multiply this 2. Write the multiplication number or the product here. Third step, subtract. Draw a line. Subtract this 2 from this 2. That is 2 minus 2 is 0. That means I don't have anything. Practically just think it as in a statement way. I had 2 toffees. I gave this 2 toffee to 1 student. Now I have nothing with me. Okay? Okay. So that digit is over. Next, I am going to take this 4 down. See here, below, right here. Like this. Next, I have another packet. In that packet, I have 4 toffees. So, bring down that packet, number of toffees here. That means below that number. Here the multiplication or division is over. So, next number should be just below line. You have to write it. Now, 0, 4. Now, I have how many toffees? 0, 4 means 4 toffees. Okay. Again, I am going to distribute 2 to each one. How many students will get it? For that, say the table of 2 again. 2, 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So, how many times? 2 2s. So, write that 2 here. Okay. Then multiply. 2 into 2. 4. Write 4 here just below that 4. Don't mention or consider the 0. Okay. You can see that there is no 0 or simply 0. You can also you can put 0. Then what is same steps after multiplying? Subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 0. No need of putting 2 zeros. So answer is 0. That means I had 24 toffees with me. I distributed 2 to each student and 12 students got toffees. Okay. Remaining is nothing with me. So this is the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay. And you can also You can also you can also check whether you have done correctly or not. How will you check it? For that, take the quotient first. Quotient. Take the quotient. Multiply this quotient with the divisor. Then add remainder. Okay. That is, take the quotient. Quotient is 12. 12 into divisor is 2. Then plus remainder is 0. You will get this as the answer. Then your calculation is correct. 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 0 is 24 itself. So you got the dividend. That means dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. While doing, first you have to multiply, then only you have to add it. Okay. So you got the correct answer. 12 students will get the toffees. Okay. This is the way to do division. I hope it is clear. Shall we try one more question? Yes. Second one. Same way. Let us try very simple thing. 36 divided by 3. Find the answer. So, write in a mathematical or a division format. 36 inside as a divisor. Sorry, dividend. 3 as divise. First step. What do you have to do first step? Look at the first digit from here. 3. Say the table of 3. Both are same, equal. Okay. First you have to see that these numbers. Compare these numbers. Same. That means from 3, you are going to take away 3. How many times you can take away like that also you can think. You can develop your own idea for division. Okay. First you consider the digit. If the digits are same or equal. All these questions we discussed today is same number. Let us see. This is 3. This also 3. Suppose you think in one packet I have 3 toffee. And I am going to distribute 3 toffees among the students. So how many students will get that toffee? Now I have a packet containing only 3 toffee. And I am going to give 3 to 1. Okay. That means I can only give 3 toffee to 1 student only. That means I am taking away the 3. Okay. Subtraction. We know that division is subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Okay. From 3 toffee, I am going to take 3. How many times I can take 3? Only one time. That's for that. You can say the table of 3. 3, 1 is 3. So how many times I can take? Only one time. Write the 1 there. Then 3 into 3, multiply. Second step, multiply. 3 into 1 is 3. Write 3 here. Third step is subtraction. Subtract it. 3 minus 3 is 0. So no more toffee from that packet I have. So I am going to take another packet that is having 6 toffee. From 6 toffees I am going to distribute, or I am going to take first 3. Okay, like that 3 at a time. How many times I can take 3 at a time like that? For that, say the table of 3. 3, 1 is 3. 3 twos are 6. Okay, when I take 3 at a time, 2 times only I can take. Then it will be over because I have only 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. So write 2 there. I hope all of you are following me. Okay. 3 into 2, 6. Write that 6 below. Then third step is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So, if I have 36 toffees, I am going to distribute 3 to each student and 12 students will get toffee. Okay. So, this is the quotient. No reminder, no balance with me. Like that you have to consider. So, if I have 36 toffees, if I am taking 3 at a time, 12 times I can take it. Okay, that is the question. I hope it's clear for you. Okay, so next let us try another question. Next, I am going to take the same number 36 but divided by 2. Okay, third example. Now don't do it. Listen to me. After that you can do it. So write in that division format 36 inside divided by 2. Same way, look at the first digit and say the table of 2. How many times you will say the table to get 3? That is the first step. Okay. So 2, 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. From 3 toffee, I am taking 2 at a time. How many times I can take? To understand that, say the table of 2. Got it? You should develop an idea that I have only 3 toffee in a packet. I am going to take 2 at a time. Okay? Or going to give 2 to each student. How many students will get it? Or you can say that if I take 2 at a time from that 3, how many times I can take it? For that, you have to say the table of 2. See that 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. That means if I take one time 2 from 3, I can take it. Okay, one time I can take. Then after that, if I am taking, if you want to take 2 times 2, you should have 4. If you want to take 2 at a time, like that, if you want to take 2 times, you should have 4 toffees in that packet. Right? Yes. Since I have only 3, I am taking 2 at a time. So remaining is 1. Again, can I take 2 at a time? No, because only 1 is left with me. Okay, so I cannot take 2 times. Then how many times I can take? Yes, only 1 time. Write that 1 there. Now listen all of you. Say the table of 2. You got that 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2, it is 4. Since we don't have 4 toffees, we cannot take twice. Only once I can take. So I wrote 1 there. Second step. So first you have to say the multiplication. Second step, multiply the answer that and with this divisor 2 into 1. Write that answer below that 3. Okay. That is 2 into 1. 2. That means one time I took 2. Then subtract. From the packet of 3 I took 2. How much is remaining now? That's what we are going to find out. So from 3 I took 2. Remaining is 1. So in that packet I have 1. Okay. Then can I give this 1? Can I take from 1, 2 again? No, it's not possible. I have only 1. How can I take 2 from that? So, what we will do? We'll bring down the next digit. That is 6. Okay. Look at here. Already we have 1 left with us. And 1 is not enough to distribute 2 at a time. So, I am taking the next packet. In next packet I have 6. So, it is not supposed to add 1 plus 6. Okay, write the 1 here and bring down 6. Now the number, how can you read this number? Now this number is read as 16. So total I have 16 toffees with me. Okay, don't think that 1 is there in balance and again 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Don't say like that. From 16, again you have to see. Together you have to consider. Don't take 1 or 6 separately. Together 16. Now I have 16 toffees. From 16, I am going to take 2 at a time. How many times I can take? Okay. So otherwise we can say 16 toffees are there. I am going to give 2 to each student. How many students will get it? Like that also you can think. So say the table of, same way what we have done here. Same method. Say the table of 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 6 12. 2 into 7 14. 2 into 8 is 16. So how many times I can take? 2 into 8. That is 8 times. 8 into second step. Write the 8 there. Multiply 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Write just 16 below that. Subtract it. 16 minus 16 is 0. Okay, what you have done here, same thing for next step also. Minus it, you will get 0. That means no more number to be or no more toffees to be distributed. So, we will get the quotient as 18. Okay, 18 students will get it. Alright, this is the way to do the division. Okay, next class we'll continue the numbers with division again. Okay, if you have still confusion, you can call me. Otherwise, you practice it, or you can wait for the next class. Next class also will continue with the different numbers. Okay, till then you have to practice these questions. Repeatedly watch this video, then you will get it. Okay. Okay, try this question, and after that you see that your answer is correct or not with my answer. Alright, I hope you will get it, and I'm sure that you will try it. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care and God bless you.